I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. App V1. X installed, camera permission granted, and your OnlyWay account signed in. Once done, place your device at eye level and make sure lighting is even. Avoid backlight. Tap New Scan to start immediately and choose the shot vision mode. You'll see crosshairs and an alignment guide. Position your subject inside that frame. Make a short test capture now so you can confirm exposure and focus before proceeding to full analysis. Now you refine capture and measurement settings. You should enable grid and alignment guides, then steady the phone or mount it on a tripod. That reduces parallax errors. Go to settings to set measurement units and preferred resolution because consistency matters for comparative results. Use auto exposure, then lock focus to prevent drift. Capture 3 bracketed shots if lighting is variable. The app will pick the best frame for analysis. Once captured, wait while the app finish by reviewing the detected points and measurement overlays. You can tap any landmark to nudge it into place for higher accuracy. Once satisfied, export results as CSV or PDF, or share the annotated image with metadata and notes for collaborators. Make sure to save a project version before closing. If measurements look inconsistent, recalibrate scale using a known length object in frame and rerun detection. That single correction fixes most errors when automatic scale inference fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.